Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Clam pasta, also known as spaghetti alle Vongole, is a true culinary delight. It's surprisingly simple to prepare, yet it delivers a sophisticated, incredibly fresh flavor that transports you straight to the Italian coast. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, or even when you want to impress guests without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to create this beloved classic. To make this delicious dish, you'll want to start with the best ingredients. Fresh clams are key here. Little necks or manila clams work beautifully. You'll also need a long pasta like spaghetti or linguine, some fresh garlic, and extra virgin olive oil. A splash of dry white wine adds incredible depth, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley, along with a pinch of red pepper flakes, will complete our flavor profile. Before cooking, it's really important to clean your clams properly. First, give them a good rinse under cold water. Then, soak them in a bowl of cold, salted water for about 30 minutes. This helps them purge any sand. Gently scrub each clam if needed. Always discard any clams that are already open and don't close firmly when you tap them, as this means they are not alive and fresh. While your pasta cooks to al dente, begin your sauce. In a large pan, sauté minced garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes in olive oil until fragrant. Now, add your cleaned clams and a good splash of dry white wine. Cover the pan and let the clams steam open. This usually takes just a few minutes. Discard any clams that don't open. Finally, add your cooked pasta directly to the pan, toss with fresh parsley, and a little reserved pasta water to emulsify the sauce. Your clam pasta is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, straight from the pan, perhaps with a final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil for an extra layer of richness. A generous sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley not only adds color, but also brightens all those wonderful flavors. This dish truly celebrates the simple, beautiful ingredients of Italian cooking. It's a perfect meal to share and savor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.